Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool little graphic. Maybe do a little bit better job on this one. There's only a couple of things to think about. You don't want them too thick so they don't want to hit each other. But I'm just going to draw an ellipse and I'm going to hit Control D and then bring it in and make it smaller. Not too much smaller. Now I'm going to hit L on the keyboard and that mirrored or that matches it up to that side. And then somewhere right in about here, just take your 3-point curve line. I would suggest holding down your control button and get kind of a perfect circle. Now, depending on how big you made it, how thick you made it, is going to determine your rotation. So let's draw an ellipse just for reference. And that's going to give us something to center from. And I'm going to say about that far apart. Now I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool. I'm going to use that same color. I'm going to nudge it over. And then I can just get rid of all this. And then I can nudge it back. And I'm going to take my Interactive Fill tool, which is G on your hotkey. And I'm going to give that a little bit of darkness on the tail. And see, I've got a little bit of darkness on the head, but I can change that by doing that. Now, Control D, double click on it and move your rotation to the center of that circle and rotate it 90 degrees. See, so it's too close to that other object. So we could do one of two things. We can move this. Let's actually make that smaller. And let's move it down a little bit and kind of like right there. Now, Control D, double click on it and move it here and rotate it 90. You just don't want anything touching. That's pretty good. I like it. It's almost touching. Get rid of that. And see this, I just made it differently. But if you take your black box effect, both of them are nice. And if you make your object too thick, you're going to have trouble running into that problem of hitting. And I mean, you could do any number of things with that. I kind of like this. It looks like a cube. Anyway, I like them both. Pretty easy to draw. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.